unusual symptom. Your blood pressure was very low today. For
Yes,
2 days.
this is very scary because my pressure is always low. About 110/65 is my normal pressures all my life.
Because you are athletic.
Yeah.
You're still skiing. You
Yeah.
were, yeah.
Yeah.
But so how low today?
Today it came down to like, she started at 85/70, and I asked her to take it
83.
again.
Yeah.
Then it went down to 83/70 or something like that.
Okay. And you were.
That's what I told the doctor.
You
That
were
just don't
very,
seem right. I was a little scared of that.
You were very fatigued.
Fatigued.
Okay.
Very. When I drove down, it was hard for me to even make the trip.
Okay,
I was
so-
fatigued.
I told you I'm going to raise your blood pressure
Yes.
with my treatment.
Yes.
So what is the blood pressure now after treatment?
Now she just took us 110/70, which is my normal.
Really
Beautiful.
good.
It really was.
So our treatment can lower blood pressure and raise blood pressure.
Sure can.
Yeah.
It sure did.
Good.
And
Thank
I
you.
feel more awake and more like me, alive.
Good. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for the testimony.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.